Al Khair Foundation has received exclusive approval to expand and develop schools within Rakhine State, Myanmar. These schools will facilitate the educational needs of over 800 pupils.
We are reporting from the ground in Uyantar Valley, Sitwe, Rakhine State, Myanmar. This is the additional classroom for this student in Uyantar Valley. The school building is very old. It's about to break down. In the rainy season, the rain is dropping. Sometimes the school have to close because of wet. Increasing number of students in coming years contribute the situation more worse as the classroom is very small.
Rakhine State is amongst the most deprived regions of Myanmar, with an estimated 44% of the population living below the poverty line. The recent persecution of Muslims within Myanmar has resulted in the displacement of at least 140,000 people in Rakhine State alone, all of whom lack citizenship. The lack of official identification for the Rohingya residing in Rakhine State means they have restricted human rights, restricted freedoms of movement, and extremely limited access to hospitals, schools, and employment. Al Khair Foundation school expansions in Sitwe, Rakhine State will allow these children who've witnessed unthinkable horrors to attain an education, improving their chances at a better life. Please donate generously and build better futures for the deprived children of Myanmar. Call us now on 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.